Motion Part 2. Uniform and non-uniform motion. In the previous video, we learnt about the motion of an object along a straight line, about the concepts of distance and displacement. In this video, we will learn about uniform and non-uniform motion and about speed. Let's first understand what we mean by rate of motion. It is a measure of how much the position of an object changes in unit time. For example, consider a car in motion starts from the origin. After 2 seconds, it reaches at the position 10 meters away. In the next 2 seconds, it covers again 10 meters. We can observe that as time passes, its position changes. The change in the position is 10 meters in 2 seconds of the time interval. Now, here comes the concept of speed, which is the measurement of the rate of motion. It is the total distance traveled by an object in unit time. Its SI unit is meter per second. The speed of an object can remain constant or it can vary with time. Suppose an object, let's say a red car, covers 20 meters in the first second. In the next second, it again covers 20 meters and so on. So, in these short intervals of time, the car covers equal distances. This type of motion is known as uniform motion. An object in uniform motion covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. It has to be noted that the speed of an object remains constant in uniform motion. But most of the time, speed is not constant. It sometimes increases, decreases, or remains constant for an equal amount of time intervals. This type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. For example, this blue car covers 10 meters in the first second. It covers 15 meters in the next second, and in the third second, it covers 8 meters. So in this case, for equal time intervals, distance covered by the car is not the same, and so this type of motion is non-uniform motion. Let's look at another example. Here is a table which shows time distance data of two trucks, truck A and truck B. Can you tell which one is in uniform motion and which one is in non-uniform motion? Answer: truck A's motion is uniform because it covers the same distance 10 kilometers in each 15-minute interval. In case of non-uniform motion, as the speed is varying for the given time interval, we describe the rate of motion of such objects in terms of their average speed. It is defined as the total distance travelled divided by the total time taken. If an object travels a distance s in time t, then its speed v is equal to s per t. Let's take an example. If a car covers 100 kilometers in 2 hours, can you tell its average speed? V is equal to 100 kilometers per 2 hour is equal to 50 kilometers per hour. In this video, we learnt about uniform and non-uniform motion and about speed. In the next video, we will learn about speed with direction.